there, guys. Welcome back. We are in Belize, and it is our last day in Belize. Sugar-free traveler and myself, DougP Vlogs. We are driving towards the Philip Bolson International Airport in our rented car, and we are flying back to Canada today. So, what's our thoughts about traveling to Belize in these COVID times? It's very inconvenient in a way, because coming down is not bad. You have a rapid test, which is cheap, pretty cheap, easy to get. You need that to get into the States, and you need it to get into Belize, and it's not a problem. Flying back to Canada, the Canadian government has made it extremely hard for us to get into Canada because we need the PCR test, which is really expensive, and when you're in a country like Belize, it's not available anywhere. Well, everywhere it's available, but it's pretty hard to find, and it's expensive. Very inconvenient what the Canadian government is doing to its citizens. I guess they don't want us to travel. I don't know what. I'm not happy about it. In Belize, the inconvenience is you gotta wear a mask the minute you step out onto the street. You could be, if you're in a house or in your hotel room and that, okay. I think even in the hotel properties you're okay. I didn't stay in a hotel, we stayed in a private house. But when you're walking on the street, you need to wear that mask, or you face a $250 US fine. And they're strict. The cops aren't playing around. They will grab you. Okay, especially if you stick out as a tourist. So you don't want to deal with that. Getting into the country at the airport, very easy. Getting into Belize, very, very easy. They are nice, very friendly. We had a vaccination, which they didn't even ask if we were vaccinated, but we had a paper that we were tested and that we are COVID free. So getting in it's a breeze. Immigration, customs, very nice. Very, very nice. Problem is wearing that mask in Belize. The minute you step out of a building, or the minute you step into any building that's not yours, once you leave your house or your hotel, you need to wear the mask. Also, there is a 9 p.m. curfew in Belize. So most places are closing up by 8. So make sure you have your food and everything, because after 8, there's nothing happening. No liquor sales. No liquor sales at the grocery stores or anything like that after 6 p.m. So you really got to stock up and make sure you have it if you want something after hours. So that makes it pretty inconvenient, sure? Yeah. Pretty inconvenient. But besides that, Belize is great. People are friendly. The weather is nice. It's a good place to come for a holiday. But if you want to party late at night, it's not recommended, because there's nothing happening at night anymore. And if you want to take off your mask, if you can't wear a mask, don't come here, because it's the law. It's a strict law. So it's something you got to think about, and then you decide. We were here for a week. We had a great time. I don't party at night anymore, so I don't care. I don't care if the nightclubs close down. They can close down for all I care. I don't need them. And during the day, you could go around. You could go to different restaurants, different bars, drink your beer, eat your ceviches and the other little foods, and you can enjoy it. So that's my thoughts about Belize. It's a great country, but a lot of restrictions right now. So once you can live with the restrictions, come on down for a visit. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Good morning, Belize, and good morning. I say good morning, Belize, and good morning. And how are you this morning?
Every morning, life go to work from day till night. Get up every morning, life go to work from day till night. I got 7 big feet and one on the way. That's the way that I always need. What a beautiful day, good morning, Lily. What a pretty day, good morning, Lily. With the troubles away, good morning, Lily. Get up every morning, life go to work from day till night. Get up every morning, life go to work from day till night. That's what I can take it for pay. And no money there. But I tell me picnic is straight. What a beautiful day.